Number 10, Sean Paul and Beyonce's rumors. Oh my gosh. So, burritos, in case you never hear about this story before. So back in the day, back in the heyday, the early 2000s, there was a rumor that Beyonce might be dating Sean Paul. I do not know who started it, where it came from, but it used to go around the place.
Certified quality. And that the girl I'm need and I cry for every day without apology.
So, word on the street at the time was that Jay-Z didn't like that Sean Paul was allegedly must be getting close to him, woman, and all kind of things. And so that is why you never really saw Beyonce and Sean Paul physically together in the scene for the duration of the music video. So Sean Paul has been talking about this for quite some time. I think they've only performed probably about once or twice. One was at the MTV Video Music Awards.
You together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in a drop top girl. In a stop shop girl. More than
and I think another one when Beyonce and Destiny Child came to Jamaica for Sumfest.
Drive round the town in a drop top girl. In a stop shop girl. More than dirty one rock that well. Use a top top girl. Me and you together is a rock that girl. Drive round the town in a drop top girl. In a stop shop girl. More than dirty one rock girl.
So yes, sir, Sean Paul is saying that Jay-Z never want him to be close to Beyonce and basically tell him for back off.
In a recent interview, Sean Paul confirmed that although Beyonce's husband, rapper Jay-Z, has co-writer credit on the song and he was fine with the collaboration happening, he didn't want Sean Paul getting too close to his wife.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
Yeah, man, say look like said Jay-Z was, quite protective of Beyonce. And so when the rumors go come out now, say Beyonce is dating or might be rumored to be linking with Sean Paul, Beyonce confronted Sean Paul about it and probably I say, yo, where the whole of this start? And Sean Paul was like, I have nothing to do with it. Go and take up this with you and your man. Why you come to me with all kind of insecurity? And so that is what Sean Paul is detailing, that it got quite a little bit messy because Beyonce, I guess, was trying to figure out if he had something to do with the rumor. And it seems as if, there was another artist as well who spoke about Jay-Z being very overprotective and controlling of Beyonce. So I'd love to hear from you, Burritos, what you really think. We want to leave, with this reenactment of that Zaba TV did.